Hello friends, I am Pranav and today I am here to address one of the very key question which comes in the mind of the student whenever he selects a college. So there are various factors of which we should consider while selecting a college, and so here I have jotted down these are the factors which you should take into consideration while selecting the college. So the very first point is faculty. So faculties are the people who actually makes the college. The quality of education is something which determines about the performance of the college. And whenever you are selecting a college, you should take into account that whether how are the faculties, do they have the corporate experience, and if yes, try to see their background also. If they are the faculties who are from IITs or IIMs, then the contents could be very rich and it could be very beneficial for you. So whenever you are selecting a college, faculty is one of the very important factor which you should take into account. Now the second is ranking. Yes, whenever you are selecting a college, you must take into account the ranking, because whenever anybody is doing a ranking, they take into account various factors. But while checking the ranking, you should also take into account that which ranking you are referring. And if you ask from me, I will say that whatever the ranking which is there in the booklet of the coaching center from where you did the preparation, that is the booklet which can give you the very right information about the ranking of different colleges. But in the coming videos, I will throw a special light on how to do the ranking of the different colleges. And whenever you are seeing the ranking of the business magazines, I will say that you should only trust 50% on them. You should not completely rely on them. So whenever you are checking the ranking, you have to be very careful. Now comes the placement. Basically what happens these days, students have started googling. They try to collect more and more information about the placement. But in maximum of the case, a student just take into account the two major things. They just see how much is the average placement, how much is the maximum placement. But now I am here, I will tell you that how you should check the placement of the college. Whenever you are checking about the placement of the college, first of all, you should try to see what type of companies are coming for the placement. Are the companies the real big brands, and if yes, what kind of profile they are giving. And for checking what kind of profile they are giving, you should try to come in contact with some of the alumni or a student from a senior batch. So that can help you. The other thing is, suppose that if you are from a financial background, so you should not try to take admission in such college which is well known for the marketing placements. So what you have to consider here is that you should also try to see the sector wise spectrum of the placement. Means you should see that if you are seeing the categories of the company, you should try to evaluate that this college is strong in which sectorial placement. And the last point which you should consider is that how much is the salary package, and obviously the average placement, the maximum placement. But apart from this, you should always try to check the median placement. So median placement is the factor which gives you an idea that how much was the majority of the student got the package. So median placement is something you should try to search about any brand about the dream college. Now whenever you select, if you have selected, if you checked about the faculty, you checked about the ranking, you checked about the placement, then one more very important factor is take counseling. And again, if you are planning to take the counseling, never ever forget your faculties and gurus. So If you are taking the counseling, take from take the this counseling from your faculties who have taught you, and whatever the counseling which you took from him, try to compare it with these three factors also. And if you are not really satisfied, then try to take the career counseling from the professional counselors who are there. And so these are the things on the basis of which you can select your dream college. Now, here you see there are two more factors which I have jotted down, and there is a star marking here, which says that under a special condition we should see how should be the crowd and how should be the location, because we cannot generalize these two factors for every college, but for a college which is a B category college or C category college, the crowd should be a factor. Like if the college is situated in Delhi NCR, then all the majority of the students should not be from Bihar or from UP only. It should have a good combination. It should have a good mixture of students from Assam also, from Punjab also, from South also. So this gives a very global kind of atmosphere in your classroom. And last but not the least, the location. Location is also a factor. But again, this factor is applicable when you are considering the B and C level college only. So if a C category college is there, then definitely the academics of C category is very average. So you should always ensure that your C category college should be in the middle of the city, and that should be, if that city is a metro city, then it will really add to your personality. So location and crowd are also the two very important factors which you need to consider while selecting the college. So I guess here I have already addressed one of your major question, that how you should select your dream college. Thank you.